Konnichiwa, Roxette here, and for today's video, it's July 31st, and I think I'm being productive today. So right now I'm just finishing up with the laundry. Everything's in the dryer, so I have 1.5 hours to wait. So I thought I'd teach myself today Morse Code. It's kind of a random skill to learn, but I think it's really interesting because I like to watch a lot of historical shows and movies, and something that comes up quite often is Morse Code. And there's like an easy video I'm gonna watch on YouTube. Maybe I'll share it in the description box. And I have some writing paper, and I'm gonna study this the traditional way because that's my learning style. But if you can't learn digitally, just typing and just winging it, I don't know how other people do it, then go ahead and do it. So yeah, that's what this video is gonna be about. I have my tablet right here, and I'm just gonna watch the video and study, and let's go. I don't know how to do time-lapse on this cell phone, so so there were a few disruptions during the time-lapse, but I'm done with the initial lesson, and now it's time for me to organize my notes, do some memorizing and practicing, and hopefully I'll be able to communicate something, in Morse code. I don't know, I could probably just butcher something right now. I'm looking at my notes. It looks pretty funny, so it could be something that's like gosh. Anyway, the laundry is done. I'm gonna go and get the clothes and just fold them. I'll do this in the next couple of days and maybe do a new vlog about it. I don't know, but I hope all is well with you till next time. Bye. Hope you enjoy this video.